Interviewing anger 2. In some cases, anger can affect other organs, especially the stomach. This can be due to stagnant liver qi invading the stomach. Such a condition is more likely to occur if one gets angry at mealtimes, which may happen if family meals become occasion for regular rows. It only happens when there is a pre-existing weakness of the stomach, in which case the anger may affect only the stomach without even affecting the liver. If one regularly gets angry an hour or two after meals, the anger will affect the intestines rather than the stomach. This happens, for example, when one goes straight back to a stressful and frustrating job after lunch. In this case, stagnant liver qi invades the intestines and causes abdominal pain, distension, and alternation of constipation with diarrhea. Finally, anger, like all other emotions, also affects the heart. This is particularly prone to be affected by anger because, from a five-element perspective, the liver is the mother of the heart, and often liver fire is transmitted to the heart, giving rise to the heart fire. Anger makes the heart full with blood rushing to it. With time, this leads to blood heat affecting the heart and therefore the mind. According to Dr. J.H.F. Shen, anger tends to affect the heart, particularly when the person does a lot of jogging and exercising. This is because excessive exercise dilates the heart, which is then more prone to be affected by the transmission of fire from the liver to the heart. In some cases, anger disguises other emotions, such as guilt. Some people may harbor guilt inside for many years and be unable or unwilling to recognize it. They may then use anger as a mask for their guilt. Moreover, there are some families in which everyone is perpetually angry. This happens more in Mediterranean countries such as Italy, Spain, or Greece. In this family, anger is used to hide other emotions such as guilt, fear, or dislike of being controlled, or to conceal weakness or an inferiority complex. When this is the case, it is important to be aware of this situation as one needs to treat not the anger but the underlying psychological and emotional condition. Anger. Anger affects the liver and heart. Anger makes chi rise. Anger expressed causes liver yang rising. Repressed anger causes liver chi stagnation. Anger at mealtimes affects the stomach. Anger after eating affects the intestines. Anger may disguise guilt. Thank you for your attention.